I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, good morning. Alex here with Avis. Today almost $36. So it's now very close to the price target, 37. And it is a pivot that I've been discussing in Avis for years. So the upgrade to strong buy at $7.40, informing users all over the world last opportunity to cover your short positions, reversing them to the long side. And precisely here, when we published the article, the tremendous rally in shares of Hertz, they started. Bear in mind that we announced publicly that Hertz and car, they were going to crash. They crashed. The case of Hertz down to 50 cents. We announced when to cover short positions also in Hertz, if you wanted then to buy following our guidance. Meanwhile, the stock rallied 600%. And the case of Avis with the price target $47. So today we are selling the Avis. Okay. So this is ahead of earnings, the earnings call, and like I said before, minimum you have it here, 1% accuracy. Congratulations to everyone. We made this also public worldwide on the blog. We published the article precisely here, as well as then articles for the public around this price. And everyone had the opportunity here to buy every single day. The stock every single day gained 20% for the past 1 month. So basically 400% rally plus. Okay, thank you.